questions were left to guide you. Now let me say, read the question. What happens when, right? Magnesium bonds in oxygen. What is the answer? What happens when magnesium bonds in oxygen? What, right? Magnesium bonds in oxygen means reaction first. Let me tell you. Mg plus O2. Check whether it is balanced or not. Balance? How to balance? Here 2, here 2. Then what will be your answer? When magnesium bonds in oxygen, then magnesium oxide is formed. Magnesium oxide is formed. See? And then you must write that chemical reaction. Understood? Write correctly and improve handwriting. Your right gala baya, devre gala daya will be there. That's why be very attentive and write down. Okay. Second question. Number B. Calcium carbonate is heated. Okay. Let me show you the chemical reaction. Calcium carbonate is heated. Do you know what is formed? What are the products? Calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. So what should be your answer? When calcium carbonate is heated, then calcium oxide and carbon dioxide are formed. I have said softly and not in very fast motion. You can write also. So develop the habit to listen and write. So when calcium carbonate is heated, then calcium oxide and carbon dioxide are formed. Chemical reaction is given here. Understood? Number C. Read the question. Hydrogen reacts with nitrogen at necessary conditions. So what is the chemical reaction? Hydrogen reacts with nitrogen at necessary conditions. What is formed? Ammonia. Then what should be your answer? When hydrogen reacts with nitrogen at necessary conditions, then ammonia gas is formed. I have already told you it must be balanced. Is it balanced or not? We have balance of reaction early in the morning, right? What is the balance form? Here. Here 3? Here 3. Here 2. Balancing is very important. Remember. Okay? It's done. Now, question number D. Read the question. Potassium hydroxide reacts with nitric acid. Let me write the chemical reaction of this number D. Potassium hydroxide. What is the molecular formula of potassium hydroxide? KOH. Okay, KOH plus nitric acid. Nitric acid is HNO3. I have it in smaller one here. You have to do same thing. Then what are the products formed? KNO3 plus H2O. What is the name of this? Potassium nitrate. What is the name of it? So, when potassium hydroxide reacts with nitric acid, then potassium nitrate and water are formed. That is your answer in sentence, and this is the balanced chemical equation. Okay, potassium hydroxide nitric acid, potassium nitrate, and water. Completed? Okay. Now number E. Read the question. Carbon dioxide is treated with lime water. Who can tell the equation? CO2. Okay, carbon dioxide is CO2. Lime water? CaOH whole 2. Lime water is calcium hydroxide, COH also. Okay. Then what do you get here? CO2 plus COH whole 2. CaCO3 plus H2O. Calcium carbonate and water, right? When carbon dioxide is treated with lime water, then calcium carbonate, what is the name of this? Calcium carbonate and water are formed. Understood? In that way we have to write down. You all are capable. Some of you give full attention, some are always in tension. Because of that it's happening. If full attention, you can do better. When you are in tension, attention attacks you and nothing can be done. Did you do? Okay. Is it okay? Up to number 5E? Now question number 9. Question number 9. What does question number 9 say? Read the question. Potassium hydroxide reacts with hydrochloric acid to form salt in water. Potassium hydroxide KOH plus hydrochloric acid HCl forms, what does it form? Potassium hydroxide reacts with hydrochloric acid, and what does it form? One is water, another is salt. What is the name of the salt? Potassium chloride, KCl plus H2O. Now we check whether it is balanced or not. Balance or not, you see there? Balance, right? Okay, balance. Number A, read number A. Write the word equation and balance formula equation for the, okay, number A solution. Word equation is potassium hydroxide plus hydrochloric acid gives potassium chloride plus, what is this? Water. This is word equation. Solution of number A. Potassium hydroxide plus hydrochloric acid gives potassium chloride plus water. And formula equation is KOH plus HCl, KCl plus H2O. These two things you have to write. Okay? Now second question. What will happen if sodium hydroxide is used instead of potassium hydroxide? First you complete number A's solution, then I will guide you number B. Why are you feeling very sleepy? Stand up. Don't sleep at night. There is one saying, our children. You also stand up. Early to bed, early to rise, makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Matt is like that. Whole night busy in mobile and laptop, and classroom became his resting place. Not are You mind it? Late in assembly means? Now number B I will guide you. Number B is what will happen if sodium hydroxide is used instead of potassium hydroxide? Now chemical reaction is like this. NaOH, that's right, NaOH plus HCl. Instead of KOH, NaOH is kept. Then what do you get here? Anmol? NaCl plus H2O. So when sodium hydroxide is used instead of potassium hydroxide, then sodium chloride and water are formed. What to say? Sodium chloride and water are formed. Sodium chloride. So chemical reaction, balanced chemical reaction must be mentioned. Understood? Okay. So this thing I have guided you. We have near about 20 minutes left. So without wasting time, let me welcome on the stage today's presenter, none other than Kritika Adhikari. And whose duty is there after Kritika? Are you ready? So be ready on Sunday, okay? Come on. Be regular. We don't want to see outside going.
Namaskar and very warm good afternoon to respected science teacher and my dear friends. As you all know, it's me Kritika Adhikari from grade 9 and I am here to do presentation of chapter 16, some gases. So my presentation goes like this. Introduction. There are 7 elements which are found in the gaseous state. Some of them are hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen and inert gases like helium, neon, argon, etc. We all know that there are 7 elements which are found in the gaseous state, and some of them are hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen and some inert gases like helium, neon, argon, etc. The thick layer of the air which surrounds the earth is called atmosphere, and atmosphere can be defined as the thick layer of the air which surrounds the earth. Nitrogen and oxygen occupy about 99% volume of the air, and nitrogen and oxygen totally occupy about 99% volume of the air out of 100%. And moreover, in the atmosphere, different gases are found in plants, animals, water, food, minerals, etc. And in the atmosphere, different gases are found in plants, animals, water, food, minerals, etc. And they are in the form of compounds which are responsible for respiration, photosynthesis and transportation, etc. Next, first is hydrogen gas. Hydrogen constitutes 0.0005% of the Earth's atmosphere by volume. Hydrogen constitutes about 0.0005% of Earth's atmosphere by volume, and it is the lightest inflammable gas. It reacts with the other elements to form various compounds including acid, hydrocarbon and carbohydrate, etc. And there are some facts about hydrogen gas. It is like this. Its symbol is H, atomic number is 1, atomic weight is 1.008 AMU, its valency is 1, molecular formula is H2, molecular weight is 2.016 AMU, and position of periodic table or group or period is 1A by 1 or 1. Group is 1A by 1 and period is 1. And electronic configuration is 1. Density is 0.09 kilometer per meter cube, and boiling point is -250 degrees Celsius, and its freezing point is -259 degrees Celsius. And here is figure of molecular structure of hydrogen. And its discovery. Hydrogen was the first proved to be a distinct element by an English scientist called Henry Cavendish in 1766 AD, who named it inflammable gas. and it was the first proved to be a distinct element by an English scientist whose name was Henry Cavendish in 1966 AD. And its occurrence, hydrogen is a reactive element, and this does not occur much in the free state. It is found in volcanic gases and natural gases in the trace amount, but it occurs only in abundantly in a combined state. And it is a reactive element, and this does not occur much in the free state. And it is found in volcanic gases and natural gases in trace amount, but it occurs abundantly in a combined state. Taste of hydrogen. Hydrogen bonds in air with a faint pale blue flame. When a lighted splinter is inserted in the mouth of the gas jar, the gas bonds with a pop sound and the splinter gets extinguished. This we can conclude that the produced gas is hydrogen. And here is the way to taste it is hydrogen gas or not. So at first, hydrogen bonds in air with a faint pale blue flame, and when a lighted splinter is inserted in the mouth of the gas jar, the gas bonds with a pop sound and the splinter gets extinguished, and this we can conclude that the produced gas is hydrogen. And next is physical properties of hydrogen. There are some physical properties of hydrogen like hydrogen is a colorless, tasteless and odorless. Hydrogen is colorless as it does not contain any color. It is tasteless, it doesn't have any taste, and odorless, it is smellless also. It is almost insoluble in water. Insoluble means it does not mix in water. It is the lightest gas known. 22.4 liter of this gas weighs only 2 grams. It is the lightest gas because this 22.4 liter of this gas weighs only 2 grams, and it is a combustible gas, but it does not support burning, and it also does not support burning. It is neutral to litmus. In litmus paper, if you take it, then it is neutral, and it liquefies at 253 degrees Celsius and solidifies as minus 259 degrees Celsius. It becomes liquid at minus 250 degrees Celsius, and it becomes solid at minus 259 degrees Celsius. Chemical properties of hydrogen. Hydrogen burns in air or in oxygen with a blue flame and produces water. Hydrogen burns in air or in oxygen with a blue flame and it produces water. Metals like sodium, potassium and calcium burn in hydrogen, forming corresponding unstable metallic hydrides, and metals like sodium, potassium and calcium burn in hydrogen, forming corresponding unstable metallic hydrides. When a dry oxygen is passed over a heated oxides of metals like iron, copper and lead, it reduces the metallic oxide to their metals. It means when dry oxygen is passed over heated oxides of metals like iron, copper and lead, it automatically reduces the metallic oxides to their metals. And hydrogen reacts with chlorine, bromine, iodine and fluorine in different conditions and forms acid. And hydrogen reacts with chlorine, bromine, iodine and fluorine in different conditions and forms acids. Hydrogen reacts with a burning coal and forms methane. Hydrogen also reacts with burning coal, and by this it forms a methane. Similarly, hydrogen reacts with sulfur on heating to produce hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen reacts with nitrogen under particular conditions and forms ammonia. Hydrogen reacts with nitrogen and under particular conditions it forms ammonia. And when hydrogen is passed in a vegetable oil, the oil changes into solid and it is called vegetables or vanaspati ghee. And when hydrogen is passed in vegetable oil, the oil changes into solid and it is called vegetables or vanaspati ghee. Uses of hydrogen. Hydrogen is used in manufacturing ammonia and fertilizers under certain conditions. Hydrogen is used in manufacturing ammonia and fertilizers under certain conditions. It is used in manufacturing vanaspati ghee by the process of hydrogenation, and it is also used in manufacturing vanaspati ghee. It is used to separate oxygen from metallic oxides to obtain metals from them. It is also used to separate oxygen from metallic oxides to obtain metals. It is bond with oxygen to produce oxyhydrogen flame, and it is bond with oxygen which leads to production of oxyhydrogen flame. The liquid form of hydrogen is used as the fuel in rockets, and its liquid form is used as fuel in rockets. And by saying this much, I would like to conclude my presentation. Thank you.
Very good. But one thing I didn't say, lab preparation is given here. So what does it do? Hydrogen discovery and directly test. One whole portion missing. And lab preparation. Where is lab preparation? Either lab preparation or not? Diagram is also there, chemical reaction, procedure, you forgot, right? While making she forgot. And next important thing, in physical properties, switch up that light. In physical property and open the door, right? We don't show any chemical reaction, but whenever there is chemical properties, there must be chemical reaction. Chemical properties means that is chemical change. So like hydrogen bonds in air or in oxygen with the blue flame, if we say, then there must be chemical reaction H2 plus O2 and H2O. Without chemical reaction, it is incomplete. Okay. Now your one work is left. Lab preparation of hydrogen. A whole portion is left. Prepare that slide and send me. Okay. And that will be discussed on Sunday. Clear? And Sunday there is presentation of next person also. Means they have to present on the chapter oxygen, right? And whose presentation is there? Nitrogen? Nitrogen Arus, right? Others they haven't got, right? What is that? Sorry? Ozone layer and that much. Yeah. And after studying ozone duty is there? After studying, yours? Sorry? Well, what do you have to got? Ozone layer. That last person I think you have to complete, right? After take a full duty is there? Sushil, your duty. Then Rajan, what is your duty? Not given. Today I'll give. Now I'll give you. I will give you next work. Now today they will get because today is Friday. Sorry. Now you have to request your friends and you. Who is your friend? That person must help you, and you have to prepare yourself. Come and do. Yeah, Sushil or Rajan or Sushil, that is their matter. Metals and non-metals. Metals and non-metals. First 3 pages. Rajan. Okay, first 2 pages. Page number may differ, I don't know. And next 3 pages. Ashwin. Mark it. Write in your diary. Crystal, check in the diary. Sign also. Now what new work is given to them? 3 pages. Rajan, metals 3 pages. You sign there also. Write in your diary. In important notes, write down there. Otherwise, you will forget answer. What you have given, you will say. And next, Ashwin, more 3 pages. Why are you making poka? For yours, I think last time you have presented, right? 3 pages is one. Parson, more 3 pages of metals. Okay, more 3 pages of metals. 3 pages. You open your book. First 3 pages, Rajan. Second 3 pages, Ashwin. More 3 pages, Parson. What is that?
First is
and second this one. Mark them. Which page number? Hello, your page number?
312, 313, 314.
121213 141516 171819. Mark it there. 317 318 319. And just fuel sign. In important notes, where are writing? Okay, important notes. 319. Now 320 21 22. Which one? Deepak. Deepak 320 21 22.
Sir, after
Then after Deepak downward.
Sir, after Ashwin.
After Ashwin this Bimali. After Bimali Deepak. 22. Guys, have you got up to 22? 20 21 20. 320 21 22. Okay.
Sir.
Now Yuri 23 24 25. Anmol 23 24 for you. 23 and 24. Then chapter completed.
Yes, 313, 314, 315, 316, 317, 318.
311 said somebody.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah.
320
Up to 20. Then 21, 22, 23. No, where's your book? Give me a book. 300. I'll see. 316. Okay, wait. Rajan will get.
like this.
No. Rajan 12, 13, 14. Then Ashwin 15, 16, 17. Parson 18, 19, 20. Deepak 21, 22, 23. 23 only, right? 24 also. Up to 24. Now the Anmol new chapter. Anmol, okay, from Anmol we'll give next week, okay?
Okay, sir.
So up to there. Next start doing your work now.